on, guys? So today in this video I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a rundown on my Mazdaspeed3 exhaust setup. So how it currently sits, it is a catless downpipe to a resonator delete to the stock muffler on the car, and then it has 4-inch burnt exhaust tips on the back. So it's pretty much straight piped from the turbo all the way back to the stock muffler. If you guys are interested in doing this to your car, you can, get a feel for what it sounds like. I'm going to be doing some drive-by clips, just sitting revving, a cold start for you, and that kind of stuff, so you get a feel for maybe if this is the setup that you want to go with on your Mazdaspeed3. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you're planning on modifying your exhaust on your Mazdaspeed3, now you kind of have a template or an option for you if you don't want to do like the typical like catback or anything like that. So thank you guys for watching. I have more content to come, some things in the works that I'm excited about, and yeah, so if you're into cars and that kind of stuff, consider subscribing, and maybe check out some more of my content on the channel. I have other videos on different platforms as well as the Mazdaspeed platform. But that's going to be it, guys. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.
Okay. I used to be up to no good, hey. Now I got all of these shows booked, okay. Now I'm the man in my whole hood, damn. doing pretty well. Think I'm doing pretty well, pretty well.